Hello everyone, it's me again doing a box opening this time. This big box here, which is from Amazon, is actually a late birthday present from my Nanna. Just got to figure out how to freaking open this thing. Knives don't seem to work. Oh wait, my bad, it doesn't do. Let's do it alright. Sorry for the poor quality of this, folks. I completely missed the line there. Okay, so far so good. And my camera is going all over the place. Lots of paper. Oh god. Big box, small item. I'm gonna just stick you guys up here for a minute. If I can actually do this. I need two hands. Oh, there's that of it. Right, that is going to be huge. Let's take these off the table. Alright, sorry about that. This is what we got, folks. A ugee graphics tablet. And this is a special glove that you get with these now. First time actually owning one. I'm surprised I got that. Did that even work? Yeah, it did. Is this where it's meant to go? I don't know. Oh, come on, that wasn't even a full cut. Ugh. I better look at my knife upstairs. Okay, I'm just gonna put you guys in so I can finish cutting this stupid wrapper off. This is some dull as piss. Of course. Freaking hair. Should have done it enough. Okie doke, here we go. Finally got it open. And there's tape. Of course there's gonna be tape. It's a box. I've got freaking shaky hands. Yeah. That is some fancy bubble wrap. Carefully. Oh, that is nice. That is nice. I will be taking that off in a moment. Please remove the... Oh, well, duh. Okay, let's see what we've got inside. We've got the little stand with 8 additional nibs. That's nice. The the lid as well, which is also a stand. Screw that on. Don't lose either of those then. Got the instruction booklet, the pen, USB cable, and oh no, that's the pen charger cable. Not used to that, and the actual cable itself. Okay, put this all back in here so I can take this upstairs and sort it out. Let's screw this now. I am keeping that fan slightly in place. That is surprisingly lightweight as well. Like, really easy to just lift up in that. I have to mess about with two hands or anything just to lift it up. Okay, now I have no idea what to do with the rubbish. Anyway. Also, this glove, huge compared to my hand. Or maybe that's how it's meant to be, I don't know. I will have to try that on upstairs. Thank you guys for watching. I'm sorry about the shaky performance of the video. First time doing one of these box openings and I kind of made a mess. Anyway, it looks great quality so far. We'll have to uninstall my old driver and see how this one works on the laptop. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like, subscribe, comment, do what feels best. Just please comment to see how I did. Thank you.